guys.
We work with the Integrated Business Experience class with Minnesota State University here in Mankato. We're really excited and proud to be part of that program where students learn how to put a business plan together, how to market a product and actually sell the product.
My company was Minnesota Comfort, where we sold coasters and tumblers. I wanted to participate in this program to not only set myself apart from my peers, but to really challenge myself and to give myself a real-world experience in what it would take owning and running a business.
They come with us and we teach them how they work on those business plans, what they need to look for, and the biggest thing is how they work with each other in the class and how they deal with those real-world experiences of running a business and how they interact with each other.
We also donated over $4,500 to a charity of our choice. Not only did the IBE help me accomplish all of those things, but it also helped gain the skills to get me to become a finalist in the Big Ideas Challenge and land me a job at the creative agency I've always wanted to work for. If you guys are even thinking about or on the verge of taking this program, I highly recommend doing so, as it really helped shape me into the young business professional that I am today.